Mediation actually becomes part of litigation. In every case, the judges and the way the court system works is the court system does force mediation upon you. And at some point you have to go. Unfortunately, the way most mediation works is you don't go into mediation until you've already been in a litigation situation where you've had to produce tens of, sometimes hundreds and thousands of documents, where you've spent a ton of money, where you've spent a lot of time, a lot of wasted time, and sometimes where the court's already made rulings, some of which you agree upon, some of which you don't agree upon. So by the time you get to that forced mediation in the courthouse, you're already kind of angry. We're already drawn our lines in the sand. And it's often not productive at that point in time because now everybody feels like they should just see it through to the end. Mediation, the way that we do our program and the way that we gauge our program is we want to get the people before they've done that. Oftentimes in cases when it's a divorce case, oftentimes if it's just a regular family law case, we're doing things where people have to deal with kids, where even if they don't have to deal with kids, sometimes we're fighting about pets, sometimes we're fighting about businesses that we've opened up during the course of the relationship. The idea is to keep that firm and that relationship steady with one another, especially in issues where there's kids. Because when the lawyers are long gone, when everybody's out of your life, you still have to deal with each other. And what we do in mediation is try to help people understand that, even though we might hate each other, even though there might be some very real issues as to why we're getting divorced or why we're ending our relationship, there still might be a need to have these parties still have some kind of amicable relationship with one another in the future. And that's what we do in our program.